All right, we got another chance of cash giveaway that I talked about in the beginning of the beginning of the week on Monday this week. This is another AI tool that's going to help you to build anything that you want. I talked about Emergent. I talked about Base 44. Now I'm talking about CreateAnything.com. And this one, what I want you guys specifically is to put this prompt exactly as is into a website called createanything.com. So it's an AI app builder that builds anything that you want. You can build a studio, an app that helps people to process different discounts, anything you want. But for this study or this project that I want you guys to do, and by the way, whoever builds the best app, they're gonna get $200 from me come February 5th. So it's a kind of 2 months out. So I wanted to just kind of wait and see how many submissions I get, and then I'll go through it, towards at the end of January to see who has the best app. So basically, what I want you to do is I want you to build a mobile app prototype called Creator Studio Pro. This app should look and function like YouTube Studio, but optimized for new creators to track process, schedule uploads, analyze metrics, and plan growth strategies. Now, what's different about this one is that it's not a exact carbon copy of of your YouTube original app. If you are a creator, you know what it looks like. It's like a green studio app. I mean, it's like a red studio app, and it looks like looks like you would looks like just like a studio app. And you go in and you'll see all your metrics, how many subscribers you got over the past 28 days or 365 days and stuff like that. But this is going to be a really good app that you can even put on the Apple Store or the Play Store and really monetize it that way as well. But for this purposes, you don't have to go that far. Um, but I would like it to be optimized for new creators to track process, schedule uploads, analyze metrics, and plan growth strategies. You're gonna include dashboard analytics, something you will see in the original one anyway. Video planner, you're gonna say subscriber tracker, monetization goals, and community engagement tools. Designed with a dark modern theme, red accents, and clear typography. I can never say typography. Typography. I can never say that word. So let's go ahead and see what it does. Designing your product. So it's going to take some time for it to do that. And you can get really creative. That's just a basic prompt. Like, get really, 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 really creative about this one because I'm only picking the best one, and the only best one is going to win $200. So let's see what it comes up in thinking. Um, I have it's gonna be exciting to see what this does. I'm kind of interested to see what it does. Let's see what it does. And it's still taking some time, so just let it play out. Um, this is really unique and cool. Um, I did not know it's cool that you have apps like this. But I'm only looking for originality. Make sure that you submit this exactly January 30th, 2026. Yes, we will be going into a new year next year. And make sure that it follows all the specifications that I want. I'm also going to post this on my community tab so you'll be able to see exactly all the details and what I want for this project. Let's just see what it does. I'm really curious to see what it's going to be, how it's going to look. Um, let's just see. You got to keep tests on your phone. Hmm. Yeah, and it takes a little while for this to actually work. So let's just see. But if you have other ideas, you can always go to ChatGPT, type in this prompt, see what it does. Perfect. I built your Creator Studio Pro app. Here's what you got. So the Creator Studio Pro is a full feature model app designed for content creators to track their YouTube channel growth. It features five main tabs, um, five five tabs. So one is the download. It shows key metrics at a glance: total views, subscribers, engagement rate, estimated revenue, quick action buttons to upload or schedule content, recent video performance created. And in the second tab, it shows analytics, detailed performance and insights, time period selector, day, week, month, key metrics card for views, watch time, likes, shares, virtual bar chart showing views over time, top performing videos list. Three, content planner. You can manage your upload schedule, view schedule videos with dates and times, track videos in process with completion percentage, switch between schedule uploads and draft videos, quick edit slash schedule buttons. Four, community, engage with your audience. Comment overview, response tracking. And five is settings. You can customize the app, account, and channel management.